Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Here we are having question number 7 of exercise from chapter 11 sound. It is there in page number 138. The question is two children are at opposite ends of a aluminium rod. I am here drawing an aluminium rod having two ends. This I will consider as aluminium rod. Here child A and here it is child B. One strikes the end of the rod with a stone. Let us consider child A. Strike the rod with a stone. Now we need to find the ratio of time taken by the sound wave in air. So time taken by the sound wave in air to the time taken by the sound wave in aluminium to reach the second child. This is second child B. This ratio we need to find. So first of all, I need to consider that the aluminium rod is having a length L. Now we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. First, we will consider that the speed of sound in air is equal to distance traveled by the sound from child A to child B in air divided by the time taken by the sound wave to reach child B in air. So the speed of sound is given as 346. I can take the reference of table 11.1. Speed of sound in air is 346 meter per second. The distance traveled or the distance between child A and child B is the length of the rod, that is L, which I have considered, and the time taken by the sound in air that we need to find. So it will be L will be equal to 346 meter per second multiply with T taking reference of air. So we can just say that T, that is the time taken by the sound to travel from child A to child B, is L upon 346 meter per second. This is the first part. Now let us consider the second part. The speed of sound in solid body, here it is aluminium, will be equal to the distance of the aluminium rod, that is between child A and child B. So I will write on aluminium divided by the time to reach from source to child B for the sound, that is taking the reference of aluminium rod. The speed of sound in aluminium rod is given in this table 11.1. It is 6420 meter per second. 6420 meter per second equal to the distance is the length of the rod L divided by the time taking reference of aluminum. So now time taken for the sound to travel from source A to child B, the end of the rods, it is will be equal to L upon 6420 meter per second. Now we need to just take the values and what ratio we need to find. It is T air divided by T aluminum. I need to put this value, that will be T air is L upon 346 meter per second divided by T aluminum, that is L upon 6420 meter per second. So now it will be L upon 346 meter per second multiply with 6420 meter per second divided by L. L and L get cancelled. Now finally meter per second and meter per second will get cancelled, and this ratio will be 6420 divided by 346. Now if I divide these two values, I will be getting somewhat this ratio as 18.55. So in this way we will solve this question, and the ratio which we have got here is 18.55. Hopefully you will be getting to understand about this question, and you will be looking for other videos from my channel. Thank you.